Phoenix Contact USA recently welcomed Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf, who toured the facility and spoke about the importance of investing in apprenticeships and other on-the-job training programs. Manufacturers and other high-tech employers often have a hard time finding qualified workers to fill more technical positions. Apprenticeships give workers hands-on experience and valuable life skills. Phoenix Contact has developed several apprenticeship programs, including one for mechatronics. This is the first of its kind in the United States and has been certified by the State Department of Labor and Industry.
The question is, what can we as a Commonwealth do to actually make it possible for people to have the skills that Phoenix Contact USA needs to do the things that we need them to do right here, create jobs, family-sustaining jobs that actually have a great future. So I created the Apprenticeship Training Office in 2016 to try to say there's really something important, something really good in the apprenticeship model. What can we do to help companies and employees do more to take advantage of that model? And here we have an example of that. Actually, even before I created the program, Phoenix was doing work with HACC, and you got certification from Labor and Industry, but basically you were doing the heavy lifting to make sure that you had a program that was tailored to the specific needs of Phoenix and that would create opportunities for the employees who work here. And there's a growing number of employees working here, and that's really great.